Man, what a wild day in the market. The market opened up, broke down on the prior day low on my levels. If you go back and look at it, came back up, retest. Just a trade that we called down. We didn't get the whole move, but we got a nice move out of it. And we realized on the day, as you can see, realized profit almost 1100, solid. That's a great day. That's a big day. But the trade was executed perfect. We caught the breakdown of the level of prior day low. If you go back and look at my video from this morning, this was a trade that I thought coming out of the gates, this trade would happen first. To push up, the retest, and go fill this gap up to 585, 584. I knew sellers would come in at 584, 585, or 587, 588 area. One of those two levels, and I thought that would happen first. I thought the market would push up in the morning, come up and test one of those levels first, and then sell off. But you know, you just never know. The market got a mind of its own. Market open with the gap down under prior day low, which was my support level. Pushed down like it wanted to make its move. Came back up and retest and reject again on a 5-minute candle, and we took the trade. Put our risk on and take it, and it worked out. But the move back up was wow. Found some support down here at 572. And if you go back to a bigger time frame on the hour, because we'll be able to see it, this area that it bounced off of, this was the breakout from election day when Trump was elected. It came back and gave back all those gains from back on 11.5. Yeah, just found some support and then just bounced all the way back up to that 585, which was pre-market high and kind of close to prior day close yesterday. That was a wild day swing. So went down $8, then recovered almost what, 13. That's some huge moves. I know I wasn't in the market during Trump's first term, but I used to always hear like other traders say they made so much money when Trump was president, and I can see why. I mean, man, these moves that's happening in the market is crazy. It's a lot of opportunities, but you can see the moves. You can also lose a lot, so you got to protect yourself and you got to have your risk intact. You know, yes, the moves can be great, can pay you a lot, but they also can be just as devastating if you get caught on the wrong side. So you got to always be on your P's and Q's and have your guard up and be ready to accept losses. Be ready to accept the losses. That's the name of the game. But yeah, today was wild, man. Wow, wow, wow. You could have made money both ways, whether you were a bull or a bear. You could have made a lot of money today. Look, this was the last 30 minutes of the day. That's a 10-point move. Look, from 585 highs all the way down to 574. That's in 30 minutes. That's crazy, man. Gotta love the time that we in as a trader right now. You have to love this volatility. Contracts a little more expensive right now on SPY, like the option contracts, but man, it's worth it. It's worth it. You get a lot of bang for your buck. But it was a good day. Good day if you stuck to the rules, stuck to your rules, you could have made a lot of money. But going into tomorrow, these are the levels that we will be watching going into tomorrow. So these are the three levels that we'll be watching from 585 to 584 as our main resistance. Our mid level will be 580, 579, 580. So from 580.50 to 579.50, you could say. And from 584, 585, 585, 52, you can say that. But up there, and then support will be back down here. Prior day low 572.25, 572.89, and we'll be looking for the market to either continue this downtrend. Now the question is, all right, let me go back to a bigger time frame. All right, you see we in the downtrend. Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower lows, lower high, lower lows. All right, we printed a new lower low. Came back up, retesting. Now, is this going to be the new lower high, and the market is going to continue its downtrend? Who knows? Or is the market going to find some support down here, make a double bottom, and make its way back up? Is it selling over? I don't think it's over because of, all the news that's going around with the tariffs and stuff. But all Donald Trump can come out and say is one good thing, and then you'll see the market just bounce. Because we so oversold that a bounce is likely to happen here soon. A big bounce is likely to happen here soon. But we don't know when that's going to happen. So all you can do is, when the market gets to your levels, take your trade and just hope that the market agrees with you if you're taking a trade at your level. If you want to go long, you hope that buyers are in the market and present. You want to go short, you hope that sellers are in the market and present. So these are the levels that we'll be watching during pre-market. And if they're holding, we'll make a game plan off what trade we will be looking to take off which level. But these are the levels that we will have going into pre-market. These right here. These three are my main levels. And these levels are just in case if market breaks prior day high, this is more than likely it's going to go back up to 589, 590 area. And if it break prior day low, it's more than likely it's going to go to 566, 567 and find support down there. But we're going to see. We'll make our game plan off these levels in the morning during pre-market. If these levels break, then we'll make adjustments. But this is what we have going into the market. I trade with a naked chart. I do have the RSI. And the RSI is the relative strength index, and all it does is tell you if the market's oversold or overbought. It can be another confluence into your trade, like when you want to make a decision at a support level. If it's oversold, then you don't want to continue too short if the market is being oversold, and that's what that's telling you. I have my placed at 25 and 75. That's just one indicator I use, but I rarely look at it because sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Like here, you can see the market is oversold. Here, RSI is in oversold territory, but the market continues to sell off. You see? So sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. But it's just a little addition that I have that gives me confluence at my levels to make a decision also. So I'll make a video in the morning of my game plan, my actual game plan, what trades I'm looking for, and what level I'm looking for it off of. All right, peace.